Have you recently been to a bank for an auto loan or a home loan and were denied? Or have you qualified for a loan but are not receiving the lowest possible interest rate? This could be costing you thousands of dollars. Then you should continue watching because you are about to discover the solution to quickly and easily raise your credit score. Hi, my name is Jeff Jackson, and I have personally felt the frustration of having poor credit. Having to rent instead of enjoying the financial benefits of home ownership, going through the embarrassment of needing a co-signer for an auto loan. Once I came through my financial hardship, I was obsessed with improving my credit score. And once upon a time, at the low point, my credit score was 558, and I got that raised all the way to 726. And over the years, I have hired several different credit repair experts to help improve my credit issues. As a result, I have paid for a first-class education in credit repair. I have taken this knowledge, created the bulletproof credit repair blueprint to help others who want to enjoy the benefits of a higher credit score. If you would like to know the secrets to achieving better credit as fast as possible, I have created a free presentation called Credit Repair Secrets that Professionals Use to Win the Credit Score Game. And in this short, valuable, and informative presentation, you will discover the top secret credit scoring matrix so you will know how to improve your FICO score the fastest. The 2 easy steps to improving your score within 24 hours. 2 actions you must avoid when disputing information on your credit report. The best strategies and tactics to get negative marks removed from your report. How to avoid getting your disputes being labeled frivolous and irrelevant. I will also reveal a little-known credit building strategy you can use to get approved for credit regardless of your FICO score. You will learn how to turn your rent, electricity, and phone payments into positive credit history, improving your credit score. Plus, I will email you a written transcript of the presentation to use as a reference guide. In addition, I will show you how to get all of the bulletproof blueprint done for you by a professional. So click the image to the right